Welcome to The Real Estate Insider. I'm Mindy. Today, we're looking at the new Beverly Hills home purchased by Miss Umbrella herself, Rihanna. Last year, she dropped $13.8 million on this 5-bedroom and 7-bathroom home. The home is on the same street as the icon Paul McCartney. According to records, it's 7,628 square feet. It's tucked behind gates in an ultra-exclusive community. This is the 4th home that she has bought in LA. Keep watching. Tell me what you think. Which room is your favorite? Remember to subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you at the next video. This has been The Real Estate Insider.